Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice vermicelli noodles. To begin, place your dry rice vermicelli into a large bowl. Cover the noodles completely with warm water, ensuring they are fully submerged. Let them soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. This crucial step softens the noodles, preparing them for the next stage of cooking and ensuring a perfect texture. Once your vermicelli noodles are perfectly softened, it's time to drain them. Carefully pour the noodles into a colander, allowing all the water to escape. Next, rinse them under cool, running water for about 30 seconds. This step is vital as it stops the cooking process, prevents the noodles from sticking together, and washes away any excess starch, ensuring a clean, separate texture. Now for the cooking, you have a couple of options. For a quick cook, boil the drained noodles for just 1 to 2 minutes until they are tender but still have a slight bite. Alternatively, you can add them directly to a stir-fry for 3 to 5 minutes. Remember, the key is not to overcook them. They should remain slightly firm, not mushy. Your delicious rice vermicelli noodles are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately as a base for your favorite stir-fries, or incorporate them into fresh spring rolls and vibrant salads. Their light, delicate texture makes them incredibly versatile. Experiment with different sauces and proteins to create a meal that truly satisfies your taste buds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.